Hey Shopify users, in this video I am going to show you how you can have a video banner on your Dawn theme. So I am using the latest version, which is Dawn 15 right now. If you have a old version, as in like 13, 14, this might still work. And if you have a really old version from like a year ago or something, I had done some videos in the past, you can take a look at those. This one right here, I think this was done on Dawn version 7. Yes, so you can follow this one. So let's get into the video now. So we will start by going to our code, and of course you will do that from here, edit code, and in here we are going to add a couple of files. Okay, so here go to the sections, and then we are going to add a new section, leave it at liquid. In here type in video dash banner and done, and it's going to open up this blank file with some code. Get rid of this code, and I am going to copy paste some code in here. There you go. And this I will of course share this code with you, and save this file. And now we are going to create one more file for all the CSS related to this. So go into the assets right here, and we are going to create a new asset file. And we are not uploading a file, we are creating a blank file. Leave this at CSS, and down here we can type in video dash banner, actually do section dash video dash banner. So this here should exactly match what you're seeing on the top of this other file that we created right there with the red squiggly. And save this, and of course it's going to give us another blank file where I am going to copy paste some other code. So in here I am pasting some code, save it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go into our customize area. So right here, your theme, customize. So here in the customize area, you have your image banner here. I am going to hide this for now so we can just focus on a video banner. So in here, click on add section, and now you're gonna look for video background. Video banner. So it's right here. This is the section we added earlier. It's going to add it at the end. So of course we can drag it up to the top right there, and now it's on top. So of course there's no video yet because we need to do a few more things. For now, just go ahead and save it. And on the right hand side, while this video banner is selected, you're seeing all these options. So you still can modify a few things here. First important thing is you need to put in a video URL. Now if you have your video URL on a different CDN, you can put that in here. I am gonna go to Shopify content files. If you don't know about this, this is where you can upload your files, and I have some video uploaded in here right there, and I'm going to just click on this link to copy the URL. And now I'm going to go back here and post that URL, and look at that, the video is showing right there. Of course we are going to make some more changes. Show container on desktop, I'm going to uncheck that, then it makes it without a solid container. The buttons, I am going to just get rid of one button for now. Of course you do whatever you want according to your needs. And right there I am going to leave this like this for now, and go ahead and save it. Alright, get this as a whole thing in the browser, and right there, previous door. And look at that, we have our video. So I can do different sizes, and it should all still look good. If that text isn't that readable, you can change that. You can go in here, and there is in the customize section still option for color scheme. So I am going to choose something like white on a dark, much more easier to read now. So let's take a look at it again. Right there, so you have your video. So a few other things, as I showed you earlier, it has I keep clicking everywhere else, of course. In here you have some options, so of course pretty easy to understand what these are doing. So you can play around desktop container position. You can do this positioning of this text that is showing this right here. You can play around with that. For mobile, if I click on mobile right here, in that view also you have specific to the mobile layout, you can do left, you can do right. So some of these settings are the same that was in the image banner, so but it's way less options compared to the image banner. So I'm gonna keep this centered, and that is it, guys. So you have a video showing, and last thing is you of course want this code. So I am going to share this code on my website, and you will see a link in the description. It's to my website here, where I actually, it's new. I am trying to populate this a bit, still some things are under construction, but I will post my link to a post about creating this video background, and then you can copy the code from there. So I'm just giving you the code you can just use and create this video background. But if you are having some issues, or you want to understand a bit more about certain codes, so this video here, I will advise you, if you're having some issues, go in there, check this out, because in there I explain a lot more in detail certain things, troubleshooting tips and stuff that you could probably use. So otherwise, if you don't care, you want to just copy paste and go, then of course just take the code and go with it. So that's it. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.